Okay, we're not doing an actual essay right yet. We're going to start off by doing just pieces and parts of the essay and then work on getting better at those skills. So here's your essay prompt. It says, though the accused women were cited for use of witchcraft, what were the true motives behind the allegations in the crucible? So here are the parts of the essay that we're actually going to work on right now. We're going to work on a thesis statement, or also known as a claim. So you need to make a claim about this topic in general. So an example claim could be something like, in the crucible, there are many people falsely accused because of personal reasons. Okay, you cannot use that one because that's the one I made up off the top of my head, but your claim needs to be something overarching like that about all of the accusations. A thesis statement is one sentence. It is not 4 sentences. It does not use the word I, me, you, we, us, etc. Okay? It does not use those in it. You are not writing an introduction paragraph. You are only writing the thesis. Why? Because we all suck at writing intros, and we're going to work on that at a later date. Right now, I'm just worried about getting that thesis done. Okay? Next, you're going to start into your body paragraphs. So I'll highlight this as a yellow color. That's going to be a little paragraph. It's only one sentence, so not really a paragraph, but you know what I mean. Here's going to be your body paragraphs. In each body paragraph, you should have a mini point or mini claim. Well, you already kind of have those, right? You already have the reasons why they're accused. There's a couple ways you can do the body paragraphs. You can do separate small individual paragraphs for each person. Or if you want to try being a little bit more experienced of a writer and challenging yourself, you can group people by theme for accusations and make sure that your main points for each paragraph explain that theme. So example, you could do one paragraph about people who were blamed out of just jealousy. Does that make sense? There are other topics you can group. There's other ways you can group the people. It's up to you. Regardless, at the end of each of your body paragraphs, whether you have 2, 3, 5, whatever it is, should be a transition. You should be transitioning from one thought to the next. Within your body paragraph should be evidence. These are quotes, which you already have, correct? Because you've been doing the graphic organizer from yesterday. And then your explanations, which is you explain the importance of the evidence, just like yesterday when I talked about the sanitizer, right? You have to explain the evidence. You already have this too. This is the yellow part on your graphic organizer. These are the only things. You will not be writing a closing paragraph yet. You will not be writing an intro paragraph yet. We are specifically working on the things of creating a thesis statement and constructing body paragraphs using MLA format and integrating quotes correctly. Those are the things we're working on right now. Clarity. Because if I was to throw an entire essay at you, that's a lot of things to focus on at this point when you haven't written something in probably quite a while. I think that sounds fair. And I think once we get this part looking good, we can go back and add an intro and a conclusion. Okay, those are things we can do later. So for today and tomorrow, what you're going to be doing is you're going to finish your graphic organizer from yesterday, making sure you're using all the color coding. And then you will start on writing your, mini essay, which all of the requirements are right here on this page to answer this prompt. Yes, you will need a works cited page, but You have one? And it already has the the Crucible citation on the Works Cited page, doesn't it? I know it's the book and not the PDF, but that's okay, it'll still work. You can make a copy of it, take off the other citations, and turn it in, yes. Whoever said that, I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.